Hello and welcome everyone to SND SMC. So I hope everyone would be doing good. So basically in this session, I will be talking about the main concept which is called as structure. So all I ask you to listen what I have to say, and because this is gonna be a very important topic for you to understand the market structure. Because if you can understand the market structure and the basics of market structure, you can literally know like where market will be going next. Is it in bullish trend or is it in bearish trend? Whether you are seeing something like the daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame, the 3 hour, the 2 hour, the 1 hour. Okay, so uh, let me just tell you one more thing. Like the monthly time frame will tell you what the weekly will do, and the weekly time frame will tell you what the daily will do, and the daily time frame will tell you what our the 4 hour will do. Okay, so that is how you're gonna know like the basics of structure. If you understand all these time frame, knowing structure, so you will literally be doing good in trading if you can understand the structure. And without market structure, it will be really difficult for you to understand whether market is in bullish trend or is it in bearish trend. Okay, so let's just start. We have the market structure here. So there are two types of market structure. First will be bullish market structure, and second one will be the bearish market structure. Okay, so what happened in bullish market structure? So whenever market moves something like a higher high, sorry, higher high to higher low, and another higher high to higher low, then another higher high to higher low. So moves like higher high to higher low, and so on. So that is how we gonna know like market is in bullish trend. You have to make a higher high, then a higher low, then a higher high, and again the higher low, then same thing again, higher high, higher low, and so on. So for making this higher high, it have to break the previous one higher high for the confirmation of new high, higher high. Okay, so you see we have a break in market structure of from this higher high, and formed another higher high to higher low, and broken out this higher high as well for the formation of a new higher high to higher low, and again we have this higher high for the formation of new higher high to higher low. So that is how we see like what exactly the market structure will do in bullish market trend. So this will be your bullish market structure, and let's just talk about a bearish market structure. So after making the higher high to higher low, if price make a lower low, lower high, so, and if price make lower low to lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low to lower high, lower low to lower high, and so on. So that is how we gonna know market made a lower low, lower high to lower low. Okay, so what we had here, we had a higher high, a higher high, a higher high, and another higher high. After the formation of this higher high, market didn't came back for the another higher high, because you see market has taken out this higher high for the formation of new higher high, and market is taken out this higher high as well for the formation of new higher high. But market didn't came back again for the formation of new higher high. So it has taken out the previous higher low. All right. So that is how we're gonna know uh, the trend is changing towards the bearish structure. So after breaking the higher low, we will see the formation of new lower low to lower high. And after breaking this lower low, we will see the formation of new lower low to new lower high. Okay. And after breaking this lower low, we will know like the formation of new lower low to new lower high. Same thing again. After breaking this lower low, we will see the market is in forming new lower low to new lower high. So that is how we will consider the market structure. So uh, maybe just see like if this is your daily chart. Okay. So in 4 hour time frame, you will see some kind of structure like this market forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You will see a small structure like something like that. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Same thing again here. So, so that is how you wanna consider like if market is in bullish trend or in bearish trend. So you have to check the 4 hour time frame, daily time frame, and all the time frame for the confirmation of if market is in bullish structure or is in bearish structure. Okay, so that is how you wanna know. So in lower time frame, like 1 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour, market will make something move something like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like this kind of structure. Okay, so that is how you wanna know like if this is a bullish market structure or is it bearish market structure. This can be your 4 hour structure. Market forming lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher, high, higher, low. So that is how you wanna consider the market structure. Okay, so let's just go and explain these things on real chart. So basically, you can see this is Euro USD daily chart. Okay, so on a daily time frame, what we have market forming the higher high, the higher low, the higher high, the higher low. Okay, the higher high, the higher low, the higher high, the lower low. Because after making this higher high, we have the formation of new higher high to new higher low. Let me just write it down. This will be your higher high. This will be your higher low, and taken out this higher high as well. And made another higher high to higher low, another higher high to higher low, and another higher high, and taken out this higher low. Okay, so we have the lower low here. So we have lower low, and this will be a lower high and another lower low. Because you see this lower low is closed below this low, closed below the previous lower low. So we have the lower low, lower high, and we have another lower low, and we have this break above the previous lower high. So that will be a higher high. So we have now here a higher high to higher low, a higher high to higher low, a higher high to higher low, a higher high to lower low. Okay, so this will be a lower low. So let me just explain this more. So you have to check like if market is breaking the previous higher high or previous lower low for the consideration of the bullish trend or bearish trend. So in this case, market is taken out the higher high, so form another higher high to higher low, higher high to higher low, and this was the last higher high. So market has taken out the higher low, and we have the formation of new lower low to new lower high, and again taken out this low. So we have the formation of new lower low, and market has taken out the previous lower high. So we have the formation of new higher high to higher low, higher high to higher low, higher high to higher low, and another higher high. And you see, market has taken out this higher low. So we have the formation of new lower low to new lower high, and we have new lower low to this will be your new higher high because market has taken out the lower high. Okay, so this will be a new higher high. Market is closed below the previous lower low, so this will be your higher high, lower low. Okay, so lower high, lower low, and market is taken out this lower high. So we have a formation of new lower high, new higher high to new higher low, new higher high to new higher low, new higher high to new higher low. So that is how you gonna consider the structure. So this is why I'm saying like the structure is the only important concept and not be the only one, but this is very important concept for you to understand the basic of market structure. So what we have again, we have the formation of new lower high, new lower low, new lower high, new lower low, new lower high, new lower low, and again new lower high, new lower low, new lower high, new lower low, new lower high, new lower low, and same thing here, new lower high, new lower low. So that is how you consider the structure. Okay, so you have to mark all those higher high, higher low, higher high, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low in your chart for the consideration of structure. Like, yeah, that's how you want to know the structure. So this was the daily time frame, and let's just go on 4-hour time frame. Okay. So let's just go on 4-hour time frame. Let's see what we have there. So you see, we had a new lower low, new lower high. Okay. So after what happened here, market just didn't came back for taking out this lower low. So market just made a higher low to higher high. So we have a higher low here, and market is taking out this lower high for the formation of new higher high. Okay, so we have a new higher low to new higher high because market has also taken out the previous higher high. So we have the formation of new higher high, new higher low to new higher high. And again, same thing here. What happened? Market is taking out the previous higher low. So we have here the new higher high, new lower, new lower low, new lower high, 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 and again new lower low, new lower high, and same thing here, new lower low to a new lower high. Yeah. So that is how we will consider the structure. So the structure is very important concept for you to understand, like if market is in bearish trend or in bullish trend. So see here, we were completely in a bullish market structure from this low to this high. So this was the bullish structure, and after making this lower, after breaking this low, we had a formation of new high, lower, higher low to new lower high. So new lower low to new lower high, new lower low to new lower high. So from here to here, the train just got changed. So from here to here, we were in bullish trend, and from this high to this low, we are in completely in bearish trend. Okay, bearish trend. So, so this is the very important concept for you to understand. Like I'm saying many times, but yeah, this is exactly. So you have to mark all these higher high to higher low, lower low to lower high, lower low to lower high in your chart for you to understand. And without back testing these concepts, you won't be able to understand these concepts. But you might seeing these as a very easy concept, but this is not a easy concept. You have to prepare your mind for understanding of this small structure and bigger structure, and within a bigger structure you have this is all this smaller structure. Okay, so what I meant by smaller structure, so you see on daily time frame, this is the lower higher low to higher high. Okay, on a daily time frame, this is the higher low to higher high. But on smaller structure, we had this structure as well: higher high to higher low, higher high, higher low, sorry, higher high to higher low, higher high to higher low, higher high to higher low as well. So that is how you consider the bigger structure, and within the bigger structure you have the small structure. So you have lower high to lower low, lower high to lower low, higher high to higher low, lower high to lower low, lower high to lower low, higher high to higher low, higher high to higher low, and another higher high to higher low. Okay, so that is how you consider the structure. So let me just explain this one on Netflix chart for you. So this is a daily time frame Netflix chart. So on this time frame, we have this higher high to lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high to lower low, lower high to higher low. This is the higher low we have, because market just didn't taken out this higher lower low. So we have this higher low, and after this higher low, market also taken out the previous lower high as well. So we have the formation of new higher high, new higher low. Okay, new higher high, new higher low, new higher high, new higher low, and another new higher high. So that is how we see the structure. So this will be a very powerful and very important concept for you to check the structure. And within the bigger structure, we have the small structure as well: lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. So you have to consider these small structure within the bigger structure as well. So that's what this session. And just backtest this session, and this will be a very powerful. Okay, thank you.